Well, I got a little box in the mail. Let's see what I got. Open her up. Oh, look at that. The Classic Monsters Collection, Frankenstein, Universal Monsters. Frankenstein, Dracula, and the Wolfman, the three most legendary monsters of all time, and probably the scariest monsters from that era. And you can't go wrong with these three, especially during this time of year. It's going to be Halloween here in a few days. I just had to get this for my VHS collection. Yes, I do collect VHS. Some people will call me crazy for doing that because it's an obsolete technology. But, you know, it doesn't make any sense because it's just like collecting anything else. I mean, people also collect vinyl records, which I do. But a lot of people have that mindset that just because it's an old technology, because we have streaming and everything, that it's a waste of money. But, I mean, just, these have fantastic covers on them. And I am going to open this, and I am going to watch these, because I do have a VHS player. So, there you go. A lot of people collect VHS anymore. Nice and carefully. Oh yeah, I love this box. This is a great little box set. These covers are just wonderful. Frankenstein, Dracula, and the Wolfman. These two came out about the same year, and I believe both of them were very big hits when they came out. The Wolfman came out, was it 10 years later? I know it came out in the 40s. These guys were like 1931. So, I'm not sure exactly. I'll have to look that up. 1941, yeah, so it's about 10 years after these guys. These two came out. And they've been icons and just legendary ever since. And I am so happy because I have this now, and just in time for Halloween. So I am going to be watching all these and enjoy myself and have a couple beers. So happy Halloween, everybody, and I hope it's a good one. Mine will be.